Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2015 Hyundai Accent, stock number 6014. This ran from 06-2015 to the 12-2019. There's a G4 LC 1400 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a G4 LC 1400 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 14-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Left front mirror. Left rear 14-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Left rear taillight. Right rear taillight. Rear tailgate, 1 small dent. Right rear 14-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Right rear door, no dents. Right front 14-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Right front door, no dents. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Centre console. Automatic gear shifter. Heated AC controls. Factory single stack stereo. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light with sunglass holder. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,